Welcome to speedlearning.com. So when is hedging most useful? Actually, yesterday there was a gap down opening in nickel. It was minus 1% down. So actually one trader cannot sell at that level because there is a fear of some short covering. So you are waiting for some short covering and then you are planning to sell it. It was down by 1.4% in next 1 to 2 hours. Now what can be done from 10 to 12, means 12 p.m. it was 1.4% down. So there is no clarity. If we are going to sell it, it is already on lower level, and if we are trying to buy it, then there is a fear that it will go down by 3-4%. What shall we do? There will be a big loss. So in that case, we shall suggest you to make a hedging. You can go for hedging at 11:54 a.m. and 2:29 p.m. Just buy nickel mini August and sell nickel mini September, and there would be a stop loss of 1.5 or 2 points only. 2 point in buying and 2 point in selling. Why are we taking 2 point stop loss? Because we expect that in any direction it can show 5 to 6 point movement at least. This may be 0.5% movement, more than 0.5% movement. And if it is showing you 5 point movement, then you are saving 3 point other side, because 2 point stop loss one side and 5 point movement another side. Difference is 5 minus 2, 3 point. So we just went for hedging there, and after 1 hour there was a big move and nickel went to 3.5% by 3:30 p.m. So it was a very big profit, much more than we had expected. So that's a great thing. It was easy, I think, but why it seems difficult? What is the problem there? Why all the traders are not applying this hedging techniques? Because last week we suggested many of the fellows, there were free trials and there were tips to paid clients also. But when they went for hedging, it was a tightly range bound week. So for 4 days, it didn't seem good. They were making the hedging strategy. They were buying this month, selling next month, and keeping the stop loss of 2 points. Hardly they were getting 2-3 points with a great difficulty. Sometimes they were waiting and it was hitting both side stop losses. So when it hits both side stop loss, means 4 point stop loss, then it gives you a big pain. However, you were taking the stop losses of 12 to 15 points earlier, but now you are accustomed with the 2 point stop loss, and you are feeling the same pain what you were feeling at that time with 15 point stop loss. You should not feel that pain because amount is quite less, but we are not familiar to accept the word stop loss. It gives us pain with our habit. So I suggest you to practice this technique, the strategy for next 40 to 50 days, and then you calculate your profits. You will see, after all ups and downs, after all pros and cons, you are getting a great profit with a great ease. It's a good technique to follow, and if you are practicing anything with regular efforts, then you will find the way. If we are having some shortcomings in our strategies, with your practice you can suggest us some alteration, some more improvement in the strategies, but keep practicing. That is necessary. Thank you very much. Bye.